What's up guys, it's Cody. So for this week's video, I'm going to be going over the most anticipated 3D printers for 2018 or the end of 2018 and 2019. So currently there's not much information I can find on the web about some printers coming out, but I got a few that I did find. So without further ado, let's get into this. I'll show you guys what information I did find of the printers. Okay, so the first one, pretty sure everybody knows about, is the Monoprice Select Mini V3. This was released, I believe, in January at the CES, but there hasn't really been a release date for it yet. So as you can see, there's quite a few articles about it. Over to the news, there's not much about it yet. Just besides that they can release a new printer. So it's pretty much the only thing we know about it is so far that it has additional features such as auto leveling and a touch screen display, so it seems to be going pretty consistent with the current one. No extraordinary changes with it, but this looks like a promising printer to try out once they do release it. So the next printer or printer accessory, not sure yet, is the E3D multi-extrusion. So it's pretty much multi-material or multi-color prints. You have 2 extruders or more, and what E3D is proposing is a magnetic extruder head type hot end, electromagnetic. So the hot end carriage will pick up one, use it, return it back to its carriage, then pick up the second hot end, use it, then return it back to its carriage once it gets done. And what E3D is proposing is having 1 to 4 of these hot ends on a printer. This is easy for doing different materials like dissolvable supports and PLA, or you can do red, blue colors in one print, like in this picture. Most of the printers that have multi-material either have dual extruders on one hot end carriage, or have something similar to what the Prusa has with their multi-material accessory. Here's an example of the carriage right here, but there's no release date on this yet, and E3D hasn't really said whether they're going to build a printer specifically for this, or release an accessory type box to hook up to a current printer, or license it out to a big name 3D printer company. But they do have a blog on their website that you can sign up for to learn more about the updates and stuff going on with it. Next printer that we can look forward to is the Cubibot. Like I said, there's not much on here about it. This is a printer that has the filament on the underside of the bed. It's affordable and user-friendly. So they're marketed as a plug and print device. They host of features. So here's the features it has. Self-leveling build platform, filtered ventilation. I haven't really seen this in much. Roller costing. I haven't really seen this much in the lower end printers, apart from the big cabinet size ones for companies. Wi-Fi is typical. Heated print bed. High temperature nozzle. You can change the sides out on the case. Cloud printing, program print. So you got different materials you can print in. Smart size notification. So I'm guessing they're gonna have an app that you can download to your phone that gives you notifications when your print's done, or maybe when the print is heated up or something like that. Yes, here's the app you can use. So it's typical of the lower income printers. I think that's the most unique one right here. Here's the price and volume size. So another printer is when 3D Technology is going to build the company for this YouTube channel. It's our first printer we're building, just as a proof of concept, to see that we can actually build one. Then once that goes, we might upgrade some, and if there's enough interest, maybe sell one eventually. But if you want to check that out, just go to our Instagram account and you can see the updates and stuff on it. Or you can wait until the videos come out on our channel on YouTube, this one. So next is the MIT 3D printer. It's not really a printer coming out in the market. It's a sort of technology. Most everybody's seen this probably, but MIT released a video of a 3D printing technology, which is essentially a razor and screw for the feeder for the filament. The screw is supposed to turn 10 times as fast as the traditional gear in most printers, and instead of using a hot end heat tap heater, it uses a razor to melt the filament. So if you haven't seen the video, just go check it out. It's more of a time lapse. I wish it had been like a time lapse circle type print. I wish it had been like a time lapse of like a sculpture or a figure or something you can see the progress on. But it's interesting. So the next one is the /OL. They're claiming it's the world's fastest consumer 3D printer. You can obviously see right here that it's going to be SLA, so it's probably going to be expensive, more expensive than the traditional PLA or ABS printers. Here's the price. So it's Mexico and Indiegogo, so that's good. SanDisk might work out. "500 times faster than FDM." So the estimated delivery date is September of this year. So we don't have much experience with the SLA, so I'm going to try to compare it to the SparkMaker. But here's the Form 2, the expensive one, and Moonray. So they're comparing it to the more expensive printers. So you can see all the dimensions and info about it. See the model infos. So next we're going to go with the ZYYX Metro 3 printer. So there's not a lot of information on this one either, but it's essentially a desktop Metro 3 printer. So I read already something about it. They announced that the TCT 2018 first prototype 3D prints from this new printer. So we developed a type of process that's removed the downsides to traditional Metro 3 printing. So here's the estimate price for it, €10,000 for a complete system. And they're claiming they can have it out in 2019. So that's something to keep an eye out for. So another process, not necessarily a printer, is the step 3 printing. This is something Evolve Additive, a company that came up with, I believe. They claim it's 50 times faster than other thermoplastic printing solutions. This is an image of one print that's been used. So this is an image of a print using the STEP technology. It stands for Selective Toner Electrophotographic Process. Introduces a range of new features, engineering grade, production speeds, 4-color printing capability. Yeah, it's not much about it. Don't know if it's going to be license out or be a cabinet printer or a desktop printer. We'll have to wait and see for this. But for the last one, we got Crane Quad 3D printer. This is a printer that seems very interesting. It's $400 to buy, but it's the 4-color desktop 3D printer. It's made by M3D. It's a multi-filament printer. You can see you got 2 filaments coming in. Looks like more than 2, like 4, come through one hot end. So it has 4 motors, 3 fans, and 0.35 mixing nozzle. He's using a direct drive extruder. This is pretty much what Pressor uses, I believe. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. So yeah, that's gonna be it for the most anticipated or top printers to look forward to. If there's any that I missed, leave it in the comments down below and check them out. But most of these are hard to find if you don't go to the conferences, because I believe that's where they release most of the press races and stuff like that. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and rate this video first, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.